Hey developers! Welcome back to Windows API Tricks for WinForms. Today we're going to monitor the Windows clipboard in real time. That means your app can react instantly when the user copies text, images, or files, without polling. Let's dive into the native Windows API approach. So let's create the needed class for this. If done, you can use it easy in your own tools. Today, we're diving into a super cool C# class, the Clipboard Monitor. This little piece of code lets your app spy, well, listen, to your Windows clipboard. So anytime you copy something, text, an image, or anything else, your program knows about it instantly. Let's break it down. First up, this class inherits from form, meaning it's an invisible Windows form that can still receive Windows messages. Next, we have this event called Clipboard Changed, that's like saying, hey, I'll tell you whenever someone copies something. Now, here's the magic part. Windows actually has a hidden message system called the ClipboardViewer chain. When your app joins this chain, Windows sends you a message every time the clipboard changes. Neat, right? To join that chain, we call this SetClipboardViewer this handle, that's like saying, hey Windows, I want to listen for clipboard changes. And it returns the next listener in the chain. We store that for later. When the clipboard updates, Windows sends a special message, WM_drawClipboard. That's our cue. We raise our event clipboard changed, so other parts of the app can react, like logging the copied text or showing a notification. Then, we make sure to pass the message along to the next viewer using send message. So we don't break the chain. There's also another message. WM_change chain, this one fires when another app joins or leaves the chain. And we handle that to keep everything clean and connected. Finally, when our form closes, we politely tell Windows, hey, I'm leaving the chain. Using change, clipboard, chain. So, in short, the class listens for clipboard updates, notifies your code when something changes, and plays nice with Windows message system. We create a simple Clipboard Monitor class and hook it into our form. Whenever you copy text, an image, or anything else, the event fires instantly, and we grab it using Clipboard. Get text or clipboard. Contains image. Just like that, your app reacts to copy events as they happen. Perfect for building clipboard tools, note grabbers, or smart text apps. And yes, this works with pure WinForms and Windows API, no extra libraries needed. And that's it. Your app now listens to the Windows clipboard in real time. You've just learned how Windows lets multiple apps listen in on clipboard activity, and how your C# app can do it too. This works perfectly for apps like note takers, snippet managers, or automation tools. If you enjoyed this trick, hit and subscribe.